In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Drive shared files quickly and easily. With the increasing need for collaboration, it's essential to stay organized and on top of your shared documents. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you know exactly where your shared files are and who has access to them. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account associated with the drive you intend to access. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Google Drive interface displaying your files and folders. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options such as My Drive, Computers, Shared with Me, Recent, and so on. The option you're going to select today is Shared with Me. Clicking this will take you to a section dedicated solely to files and folders that others have shared with you. This Shared with Me section does not contain files you've shared with others. It specifically shows files that have been shared with you. It's a useful feature when you need to find documents someone else is working on and has granted you access to. Now, if you want to view details about the sharing settings of each file, click on a document. On the top right of the window, you'll see a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Selecting this will show you who else has access to this document. On the other hand, if you'd like to see the files that you've shared with others, click on the My Drive option and navigate to a file or folder. You can right-click on it and choose Share, or click the same person plus icon for sharing details. This shows anyone who currently has access to your file, and from here, you can adjust their permissions, like switching them between viewer, commenter, or editor roles. One of the crucial benefits of reviewing shared files regularly is to manage who can access which files and ensure that you're not inadvertently sharing sensitive information. Sometimes people have access to files they no longer need, and this is a great way to keep things tidy and secure. Remember, maintaining good sharing practices on Google Drive can enhance collaboration with your colleagues while safeguarding your data's integrity. It's always insightful to frequently check and manage your shared list, protecting your workspace's security. That's all for the steps. If you have any questions or tips to share about managing your Google Drive, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized.